Okay, you are going to love this. I found the strangest thing in a hardware aisle. It's sticky, textured, and adds such an amazing layer to your journaling. I've never seen it used in this kind of project, but trust me, once I started, I couldn't stop. And here it is, a roll of rug gripper. It's a tape that helps you that your carpet or rugs are not moving around. Never saw anything like it, but thought it's ideal to try it with dry tea bags or maybe some ribbon or definitely coffee dyed cheesecloth with my tags. You remember 100 tags and 100 days, and this roll is definitely adding another layer, another texture to my junk journal tags. Can you see here? It has this structured roll, and it's, the sound even. Can you hear it? It really, I get goosebumps when I roll it. It is sticky from both sides, and I thought, let's start by using a dry tea bag and just glue it on top of it. And then with my bone folder, just pressing it down so that the tea bag really is pushed into the texture underneath, because it's like a woven texture. It's so beautiful. I like touching it. I like looking at it. Let's cut it off, and then let's see what we can do with this. On the back side, it has a clear plastic foil, and here the side is a little bit sticky. I don't want to have my tea bag sticking all down. I want to have some flimsy bits on the side, but here, can you see? It's such a cool structure. Like, who would have guessed that you can find something like that in the hardware aisle? Yes, okay, let's try one more. I also definitely would like to use the cheesecloth. And here again, it's like, yes, such a wonderful sound. Okay, this is coffee dyed. I did it in a previous project, and just cut down a piece, and then I will press it again against this roll, this tape, because as I said before, it's adhesive, and so it's very easy. You can just put a layer of the cheesecloth on top of it. You can scrunch it up, and it's just holding tight. Like it's like magic. I'm so excited to share this with you. And here you have this. You can see a little bit further. The back here is blue. The clear plastic sheet was only in the beginning of the roll, but here is a blue tape underneath. Fascinating, so fascinating. Let's do it one. Nice. I think for today that's enough. Let's just play around with the dried tea bag and the coffee dyed cheesecloth, and let's make junk journal tags out of it. But there's one more new thing. I like to have focal points, and I thought I would like to use this digital collage club printable here. I printed it on the stronger cardboard, and look at the colors. Look how beautiful this is. And I have another surprise. I contacted Making and Creating and asked if they would take me on as one of their affiliates so that I can offer you a discount code. And they said yes. How cool is that? Like, I will definitely put the discount code in the description below. So if you are interested in subscribing with them and want to have their beautiful printables, you can find it below. Here you can see I did some fussy cutting of all the mushrooms, and I always like to go around with my Distress Oxide ink. I like Vintage Photo. It's like a brownish color, and it gives this the vintagey look that I like. Okay, so let's see. Here are the 5 tag backgrounds. The ones of you that saw my videos before 100 tags and 100 days know that I always use the same 5 background papers, and then I combine every different technique with this 5 background layers. And here I'm just playing around a little bit what I think fits best. I like the green on green, and here yeah, I think that looks nice. Like, yes, I think that's nah. What do you think? I think I leave it like this. Yes, leave me a comment. Like, would you have left it like this, or would you prefer a different combination? Here we can see this one is the one with the dried tea bag. And here is the clear plastic foil. You can pull it off. Like, where is the beginning? Let me have a look. Here, can you see? Maybe on the other side. A little bit fiddly. Here. Oh, there you go. And these little triangles. It's like it's fascinating. Such a great texture. Okay, so let's see if I can tear it. No, not really. Not really. It's very, very strong. But I can cut it, and I will cut a strip. And let's have a look. Okay, it's sticky from one side, but not too sticky. It's not that it sticks too much to my fingers, but it definitely will stick nicely. I don't like clear cut edges, so here I'm using my scissors to rough this bit a little bit up, and maybe even have a look if I can do this even a little bit more. In the moment I'm not quite sure how I want to use it yet, because it's a very new material for me, and so with that I'm just playing around. Like, I hope you like playing with me and like to see what comes out of it. Let's have a look. It looks a little bit clean still. It's too pristine, like for a junk journal. Let's see. If we take a little bit of the Distress Oxide ink and go over it and make it a little more dirty, then let's see how it looks. Yeah, clearly more my style now. Yeah. Yep, I like that. Yes, and it's so easy. Can you see this? I can just press it down because the backside is sticky and it sticks nicely on the tag. So now we can start decorating. In a previous video, I made these little labels. I will also link the video below. And here these are little die cuts, but most of them are the little labels that I made myself with coffee dyed paper and some stamping with archival ink. And they are so useful when we do ephemera and layering little bits and pieces to have these small ones. You don't need to buy them, you can make them yourself. Okay, let's cut this sticky outy bit. Maybe let's have a look. Maybe I can use this bit straight away, get the edge a little bit rough, and I can use it here with that tag. Yes. And I can just left, right, where would I like it? Distress Oxide ink as always. Never forget to roughen it up to make it a little bit more grungy. Okay. Let me know, please, in the comments below what you think about this new material. Like, I really give it a go. It's fascinating. Just you can peel it off, stick it down, and you have this texture. This one here is the one with the cheesecloth. And I just make some wavy cuts in there, just without thinking. And then I can, see, it's has still the cheesecloth hanging out. And here, just gluing it down. It makes it three-dimensional, which I always like in the junk journals. I like the pockets and tags and the things that feel differently or make sounds or so. It's one of my favorite things with junk journaling, that tactile element in it. And we can even layer little bits and pieces. Here, the tag in the middle had just the dried tea bag, and I would like to layer another texture here with the cheesecloth on top. But before I do that, I think I have to glue down my mushroom first. Let's take a little bit of white liquid glue. Because with, the dimension in it, I think like the glue stick would not be enough. Maybe even art glitter glue would be better. Let's see how we go. And then here this little cheesecloth piece on top of it. Yeah, I love it. Pressing it down. Using my bone folder to get it all, like that, a little bit too much glue. But yeah, good. Nice. Yep. Oh, yes, I love it. And maybe I can add a quote to the tag. I find it always adds a nice little layer. I just peeled off the quote, cut it in half, and use a little bit of craft paper, of brown craft paper as the background, so that I can mount it on it, so that it has a little bit of a frame around it. And again, little bit of Distress Oxide ink. And this time I'm using my art glitter glue to really make sure that my quote pieces are firmly attached on my junk journal tag. I love it. It's a nice new addition to my junk journaling. Let's see. Okay, is it all dried? Little bits and pieces. So what else can we do? Cleaning it off. Yes, of course. The Distress Oxide ink around the tag to get the white borders off, and finish it with an eyelet using my crocodile, pressing it down. Such a handy tool to have if you have it. But of course you can also just make any topper you like. It's just what I have handy and what I thought it's very nicely fitting to the roughness of this tag. Same with this cotton, like this cotton thread here. I'm just using 4 layers here. You can see like I'm taking a double and just making a loop, pulling it through and cutting it off. Very simple, very easy, but I find it fits nicely to the style of this tag, making it a little bit more grungy again with the Distress Oxide ink. And here we go. This is, look at the texture. Look at it. It's just nice. I'm so pleased I found it. Here, this triangles, and I definitely will use this here with cheesecloths and the dry tea bags. I will finish off camera the other tags and then I come back to show you here all the results. Look at that. This is tag number 53 of my 100 tags in 100 days. And that's my series. And look at the stunning colors, textures. Oh, and with the background, love the combination with the green, number 54. Everything has beauty. You saw that one before. And here the cheesecloth hanging over the tag. Then we have number 55. This one doesn't have a quote, but again the hanging cheesecloth and the texture, little labels. It's a nice series. It's always the small pieces that make the big picture. The layering, the roughness, the mounting of the quote, all the little bits and pieces together make it precious and unique. And the last one has keep some room in your heart for the unimaginable. I hope you enjoyed these 5 tags. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done it already and share with your friends and family if you enjoyed this part of my series. I wish you a wonderful day for now and I attach the next video if you would like to see more.